Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, Question 11. Which of the following statements explains why hot soapy water is more effective in cleaning oil-stained dishes? A. The oil on the dishes repel the soap. B. Soap and heat decreases the surface tension of water. C. Hot water increases the surface tension of oil. And D. Soap increases the surface tension of oil and water. Now, we know or we observe that most of our dishes or oil stained dishes are usually washed with what? With either soapy water or hot soapy water. Now, this is because hot soapy water helps to what? To reduce it reduces the surface tension. Hot soapy water helps to reduce the surface tension of water. And by doing this, by reducing the surface tension of water, it enables what? Enables the oil particles, that is the oil particles on these dishes, to what? To float away, thereby cleaning our dishes. So this reduction of the surface water tension of the water enables what? Enables the water to wet these dishes. Now when the water is able to wet these dishes, it then what? It then floats away the oil particles from the dishes and like we know that what? Heat and soap or detergent helps to what? Helps to lower the surface tension of water, and that is why hot soapy water is very what? Important in cleaning oil stained dishes. Like I said, it will what? It will reduce the surface tension of this water, making the water able to what? To wet the dishes. Now when this water wets the dishes, it will now have the ability to what? To float away the oil particles on these dishes. And like you know, surface tension is the force acting on the surface of water, making it to behave like a stretched elastic skin. So when this surface tension is reduced by the heat or the soap, that is the hot soapy water, what happens? It enables it to float away these oil particles from the dishes, thereby cleaning our dishes. So therefore the answer to this question is option B, because soap and heat decreases the surface tension of water. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.